Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will help you get the maximum bonus up to $515 for your first registration, and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code. And our first step for this, we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code and you can use it for get the maximum bonus up. After that, after downloading the application, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important, guys. Next step, tap registration there, and today I will tell you about all variants of the registration, and I will start from the in one click, and let's end in the via social media. Let's try it in one click. In menu current country, you need to choose your current country. Mine is United States. Your current value US dollar, and enter choose your bonus. After that, you need to enter the current promo code. I will show you is ZANOS24, and accept all the rules of the and terms, and tap on the green check mark. And after that we are going to the registration of the by phone, and for this we need to enter your phone number. After that, sorry guys, phone number, random, current value US dollar, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and next. After that, we are going to the full registration, and there your surname, for example your current surname, and next your first name, surname, first name, your region, and after that we are going to our next step. Your date of the birth, current value US dollar, and your current email. After your current email, we are going to enter your phone number. After that, it will be easy, guys. Wait a moment please. Your password, email address and password, and next, after your password, we need to go into the current promo code is ZANOS24, and after that into the current promo code is ZANOS24 and receive all the rules. Next, we are going to all the rules and confirm all the terms. Our last we are going to the via social media. This is last variant, and after that you need to choose your social networks. Choose of there, Next, tap of your current country, and after that you need to choose your current value, US dollar for me, and choose your bonus on sports or on casino. I'm usually choose on sports. And next step, choose your enter the current promo code is ZANOS24 and accept all the rules. Guys, after that we are going to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. And that's all. After that, if you want to support us and support our channel, then follow the link in the description, and it will be nice, guys. It's so important for us, and thank you for that. If you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck, so have fun.